Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the setup, operation and calibration of the Galaxy PG301 balance. The balance package includes the main unit, weighing pan, instruction manual, standard weight, and power adapter. Place the balance on a flat and vibration-free surface. The balance should not be used near doorways or air vents because it is sensitive enough to be affected by air currents. Before turning on the balance, connect the adapter. Check to see if the balance is level by adjusting the feet until the air bubble is inside the black ring. Long press the on-off key and the display will count from 1 to 9. Once it shows 0.00 grams, the balance is ready. If not, press tail key to reset. For accurate results, calibrate your balance regularly. In weighing mode, hold the Print Cal button until Cal appears on the screen. Place the calibration weight as displayed and wait for the stable symbol. When the weight shows correctly, calibration is successful. Place the weighing paper on the scale and press the tail key. The display will reset to 0. Next, add the sample to the weighing paper to measure its weight accurately. To select a weighing unit, press the unit key. You can switch between grams, carats, ounces, and more, even while weighing. To enter counting mode, hold the unit/PCS key. Place the sample quantity of items to be counted, such as 10, 20, 50, or 100 on the pan. Then, press the unit/PCS key again to set the unit count. Once set, add items to the pan and the balance will accurately display the total quantity. To print your weighing data, press the print key. The data displayed on the screen will be printed or transferred. After weighing, clean the pan and surrounding area to maintain the balance's accuracy and ensure its longevity. Thank you for watching. For more information and to explore our product range, please visit our YouTube channel.